Someone who works at Playboy asked me to design and 3D print a pencil holder with the Playboy logo. So here's what I did. I clicked on the Create icon and then Box. Clicked on the horizontal plane and then I made a square. I'm not concerned about sizes as I'll size it in the slicer. Drag it up and click OK. In the Sculpt workspace, I can delete faces. So I select them and then just hit the delete key. Orbiting underneath, I'll select all these edges, and I do so by holding the Shift key down. Then I'll right-click on one, choose Crease, and that flattens out the bottom so that it can sit flat on a tabletop. Now I'll bring it into the Model workspace and select all the interior faces. Right-click, choose Thicken, and thicken it. Then click OK. I went to the web and found a Playboy icon, and then I converted it to an SVG with this online converter. Then I went to Insert, Insert SVG, click on a vertical plane, select the SVG file, and navigate to it. And here it is. Then click OK. And then I'll right-click and say Unfix. And now it's not locked, so I can work with it. I'm going to click on Sketch, Trim, and trim all these edges. Then I'll select all these sketches, right-click, choose Press Pull, and press pull it. I think I'll press pull the eye in a little bit. I'm going to select these bodies and then scale it down. Now I'll move all those bodies over to the pencil holder. I'll turn off this sketch. And I think I'm going to finesse this just a little bit more. And there you have it.